Similar question for immigrant youth. What are the unique challenges to serving that community? And what you mentioned about the deportation and being detained fears and the trauma that's associated with that. I guess I'm wondering if there's more to the story there that folks should be mindful of.
Yeah, when I first started working or being a part of the youth center volunteering, it didn't occur to me that in that same demographic was immigrant youth. It just didn't occur to me. Um, and I don't know why, because it's, we're everywhere, right? But it didn't occur to me that some of the students were not participating in some events because of fear. And so I mentioned that in the terms of trips and things like that, because I had a trip planned to South Texas, and one of the parents said, "Well, is there any border patrol checkpoints?" And then that's why I mentioned them. But it hadn't occurred to me that the student that would have gone with me to Matamoros to go work with the immigrants around the border, which was a great idea, was actually going to jeopardize some of the students that were going to go with me. So that's important. Also, some of the immigrant youth that I've worked with, and like I said, I don't know why I didn't think that they were in the center, would come to me and say, am I going to need an ID if we're going to go to this event? Are you going to need to see my ID? What do you mean you're signing me up? Where's that going? Is someone going to know where we live? And at first I didn't think about it. Like, what is the fear of this? And until it was brought to my attention, well, if you put that somewhere on a database, will the government know about us? And if they run us, and is the government really going to run a specific student or a specific parent? Probably not. But to them, that was really important. That was really a fear of where their information was going and who were we sharing this information with.